Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna and I will be your teacher in science. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have these words. Are you ready? Okay, everyone, let us read cocoon. Everyone, again, cocoon. Next, we have growth. Everyone, let us read growth. And then we have undergo. Everyone, let us read undergo. Now, the words are cocoon, growth, and undergo. So, do you know the meaning of the words? Okay, so let us know the meaning of the words, everyone. When we say cocoon, that is a silky case spun by the larvae or of many insects for protection in the pupal stage. That is cocoon. And when we say growth, that is the process of increasing in physical size. And when we say undergo, experience or be subjected to, that is undergo. So those are the meaning of the words. Now today, we are going to talk about the life cycles of animals. Okay? So what are we going to talk about? The life cycle of animals. So what do you want to learn? What are the life cycle of animals? So we are going to answer that question at the end of this lesson. So, are you ready to listen? Okay, so if you are ready to listen, then sit up straight, eyes on me and ears on me. Okay, now let us talk about the life cycle of animals. Everyone, there are animals that grow through different stages of development before looking like their parents. Remember that. The change in form and structure that occur from the young animals to adult animals is called metamorphosis. So when we say metamorphosis, what's the meaning of that? The change in form and structure that occur from young animals to adult animals. Okay? Remember that animals grow through different stages of development before looking like their parents. Do you understand? Okay. So most animals, including fish, mammals, reptiles, and birds, have very simple life cycle. So these animals have very simple life cycle. They are born either alive from their mother or hatched from eggs and grow up as adults. Okay? So these animals have 3 stages only. Wherein before birth, young, and adult. Okay, so those are the stages of the 3 stages of development of these animals. Okay, before birth, young, and adult. So what are these animals? Fish, mammals, reptiles, and birds. Okay, so these animals can either be alive from their mother or hatched from eggs. Do you understand? Okay, so let's talk about the life cycle of some insects. Okay, so as you can see, insects were not included there because insects have different life cycle. Okay, so insects undergoing complete metamorphosis or complete stages of growth and development have 4 stages in life. Okay, so the first one is complete metamorphosis, wherein we have 4 stages here. The first one is the egg, the unborn stage, and then the larva, referring to its young stage where most of the feeding is done and the insect looks like a worm. And then pupa, the inactive stage wherein there's no feeding here and takes place between larva and adult stage and is usually a camouflage as a sign of protection. Okay, that is pupa stage. And then the last stage is the adult stage wherein this is the final breeding stage of the insect that usually grows into a mature one. Now, complete metamorphosis have 4 stages: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult stage. Do you understand? So how many stages does complete metamorphosis have? Okay, 4. The egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult stage. Do you understand? Okay, that is complete metamorphosis. Okay, let's talk about the incomplete metamorphosis. Now, other insects undergo 3 stages of development only, which is referred to as incomplete metamorphosis. If complete metamorphosis have 4 stages, then incomplete metamorphosis has only 3 stages. Now, about 10% of insects go through this type of growth, meaning this growth, they do not have pupal form. Okay, they only have egg, the unborn stage. The nymph refers to the young stage where most feeding is done. And then the adult stage, the final stage wherein the development of wings is included. Now, we have 2 types of life cycle in an insect wherein we call it complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. In complete metamorphosis, we have the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult stage. While in incomplete metamorphosis, we have the egg, the nymph, and the adult stage only. Okay, so let me show you some animals that undergo complete metamorphosis. Okay, so we have butterfly, mosquito, fly, and bee. Okay, so everyone, this one is a butterfly. As you can see, we have the egg there, the larvae, and then or the larva, the pupa, and then the adult stage. Okay, and then we have also the mosquito. Okay, that's the life cycle of a mosquito. And then we have also the life cycle of a honeybee. We have the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult. So those are the insects that undergoes complete metamorphosis. Okay, so let me show you also the animals that undergo incomplete metamorphosis. Under it are the dragonflies. We also have grasshoppers and then cockroaches. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a dragonfly. That is a dragonfly. Okay, the mother lays egg, and then the egg becomes a nymph, and then it becomes adult. Okay, and then this is a grasshopper. We have the egg, the nymph, and the adult. Okay, now let me show you sample life cycle of other animals as well. Okay, such as shark. Okay, we have the adult shark, the eggs, the newborn, and the young or youth shark. Okay, the life cycle of a bat wherein the bat pup is born, and then the pup spends time together in a nursery, and then the pup cling to their mother while she flies to the and then that pup will become an adult as well. Okay, so I have here questions, everyone. What is metamorphosis? Okay, so who can answer me what is metamorphosis? Okay, so metamorphosis is the change in form and structure that occur from the young animals to adult animals. Okay, so what is complete metamorphosis for insects? Complete metamorphosis is consists of 4 stages wherein it egg, larva, pupa, and adult stage. Okay, and then we have what is incomplete metamorphosis. Incomplete metamorphosis is have 3 stages only wherein we have the egg, the nymph, and the adult stage. Okay, so what did you learn today? Today we have learned about the life cycle of animals. Okay, so metamorphosis is the change that occurs to young animals, okay, before they become adult. Okay. So if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise wherein you're going to answer check your knowledge, letter A, page 183, and your evaluation will be answer check your knowledge, letter B, page 183. Okay, so don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I am going to check it. Okay, and here is your assignment. Give me a picture of one animal and its life cycle. Okay, so don't forget to do your assignment because I'm going to check it as well. So thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye bye.